My daughter begged us to have Bluey a funeral.
He died because
He was very sick.
he was very, very sick. We all loved him. But I'm gonna get another bird.
Okay. Okay, pass it. Pass the bird.
Bad seizure because I told mommy you're not supposed to only be eating seeds.
Louis, you all did a good person living your whole life. I'm sorry that you only lived 2 months. Sorry,
More than that,
Louis.
he was alive in me.
Bluey Miller, you were a very pretty bird. You
I
were
let him out the cage.
Go.
and even though we didn't get to touch you a lot, you were a really good bird.
Bluey Miller, you were a very, very pretty bird, and I did not know why the Miller family decided to take you out like that. You clearly deserved better.
Who she talking to? Here you go. Because both of y'all birds cool.
Okay. Mommy, do I just drop him?
Dump him.
Bye, Bluey.
It's so hard to say goodbye to Bluey. And I know what we had will last forever. 'Cause Bluey, we love you, birdie.
Now let me play.
Every step I
Take every move I make, every single day, every time I pray, I'll be missing you. Let me see your card, Yanni.
Hold on. Put it down. Thinking of
The days when you went away. What a life to take, what a time to break. We'll be missing you.
Somebody tell me why.
Sing it, sis. Ooh. One last